So recently it seems as though that Binance is getting some hate, some FUD, okay? And if you go to Twitter, right, you can see Duo9 from discord.gg says that it's pretty obvious that the FTX collapse will bring about attacks against CZ from Binance, right? Because he uncovered the scam. So SBF bankroll lots of influential friends and probably people from high ups, and they are pissed. So where will the anger go? So look at this. So Business Times shared that US prosecutors are looking to charge Binance and CZ for possible money laundering violations, right? With an article by Reuters, whatever we call it. Okay, if I go into the thread, you can see that there's a lot of FUD. This was the one that I read to you just now. And scroll down to number 2. CoinDesk published this article yesterday. You may think that CoinDesk is an unbiased crypto news site, but they are not. You see, CoinDesk is owned by Digital Currency Group, DCG, who also owns Grayscale and Genesis. Okay, and if you scroll down some more, Genesis borrowed user funds from Gemini Earn, and they both stopped withdrawals because those funds were invested with FTX Alameda scam. So Genesis asked Binance for a $1 billion bailout. Binance said no, fly kite. So DCG has a multi-billion-dollar problem on their CoinDesk loan fund. Okay, of course, is it a problem? Well, it's pretty bad if you ask me, right? I mean, I will agree with Duo9 because if Genesis cannot solve the problem, Gemini cannot solve that problem, DCG cannot solve that problem, it's going to be a multi-billion-dollar problem into the world of crypto, right? So why the FUD? The thing that is revenge plus with FTX collapse, Binance is the undisputed market leader. So he thinks that Binance will be attacked hard. But does the attack have any merit? This is number 4, right? Let's go. Number 5. They miss a crucial point. Binance has money. Solvent means has money. So nothing will happen as long as this stays true, similar to USDT. So as long as Binance has money, they will stay strong. And Binance make more money more than anyone with over 30 million users. And so you can't crash Binance with FUD unless there's merit. Even if CZ is arrested, does it matter? Probably not. Because CZ is CZ, Binance is Binance, 2 different companies. I mean, one is a person, one's a company. So your funds are safe as long as that holds true. The rest is noise, right? Don't fall for it. So, but DCG, who owns CoinDesk, are in big shit. Okay? So, should you keep your Bitcoin on Binance? Again, even though it won't be solvent, but you don't have to take unnecessary risk. So, you can take off your coins from all exchanges, be it Binance, Crypto.com, Kraken, put it in a cold storage hard wallet, alright? Put what you want to trade on exchanges, okay? Even if you love or hate Binance, please just take your crypto, put off in your hard wallets, okay? Wow, look at that, okay? So, on the other hand, Sam took FTX user funds and gambled with it. What is it gamble? He lavished his lifestyle, and Sam just got arrested on multiple charges. So exposing frauds like FTX and Alameda is actually good for crypto long term, despite the pain. Okay, Binance is not perfect, but such FUD is misplaced. Okay, so why is he eating a cucumber here? Okay, anyway, so there's a quick sharing with you, and I'm going to move this around. So there's some FUD and some hate against Binance right now. So Bitcoin price, I will share you this article later. And Binance CEO addresses FUD surrounding abnormal trading activity, and he faced possible money laundering charges. Whether he faced or not, as long as Binance stands strong, is solvent, whatever. But I think you read this article, right? So this article is a bit of a sort of like a bullish article, you know. So Bitcoin price shakes off Binance FUD as analysts eye Q1 2023. So now it's Q4 2022, which is in December 2022. So this is the last quarter of 2022. This is talking about next quarter, okay? That means January, February, March of 2023. They say that Bitcoin price stability remains for the time being, but there's few things lined up to scare Bitcoin traders. Woo! So Bitcoin stayed near 7,000 as news involving Binance failed to spark BTC price downside. So Bitcoin price is holding steady. So the factors that line will scare Bitcoin trade are, let me see, Okay, so in the form of November Consumer Price Index (CPI), it will be a pivotal moment for crypto assets, which is correct. So we want to think about the interest rates, right? I've mentioned before, crypto will boom, go into the bullish cycle, boom in a good boom market, right? When money becomes cheap, when interest rates drop, people will spend, people will move money around. Okay, so let me see. Subsequent events involving the Federal Reserve equally shape price performance. That's what I said, right? So in the meantime, Bitcoin is steady, saying because despite Binance being target of a US money laundering lawsuit. Okay, in Reuters, a report said that the Department of Justice was undecided whether to bring charges against Binance and the CEO, CZ, right? After investigation started in 2018, which is 5 years ago. So this followed fresh concerns whether the exchange proof of reserves, which commentators said is FUD, right? The funny thing about the CZ's proof of reserve is because it was not audited. The auditor specifically mentioned that it's not an audited report. I think the funniest was that CZ was saying that you have no loans to anybody, so trust me, bro. So it's like it's not audited, it's not certain in audit terms, right? But whatever it is, as long as Binance is solvent, it remains solvent, it makes more money than whatever FUD, whatever changes, it will stay strong. So crypto sentiments more broadly remain stronger than the worst case scenario, okay, which measured 27 of 100, which is 27%. Still above the lowest extreme fear zone, still, yeah. Okay, so what they're saying is that again, everybody's looking at the Fed reserves, what they're going to put amount for the interest rates, okay. This guy, popular trader, Moustache, turned to US stocks to remind followers that despite the Fed potentially pivoting on rate hikes, historically this does not mark a turning point for performance. Yeah, not immediately, I feel. Maybe 1 or 2 cycles after that. 1 or 2 1 year, 6 months to 1 year after that. See, don't forget the stock market crashed very hard in history after the Fed's pivot. Okay? Here is saying that possible that the market will make a rally because of expectation of a pivot. After the official announcement, sell the news. This is the sweet spot, right? He said that the result could be a final bottom. What's a final bottom? Analyst Tony Guinier told followers that the Bitcoin USD will be between 11,000 and 14,000 in Q1 next year. That's soon, that's like next month, already Q1. Bottom 11 to 14,000, capitulation in Q1 2023, including a bounce target up to 30,000. And they said, ignore the noise, zoom out, right? So that's all I want to share with you about this one, about the Binance FUD and about the outlook we're looking at for Bitcoin prices and crypto prices. We're all waiting for crypto to reach the bull market. But in the meantime, hang on tight. I will be sharing more with you about the NajeeChua.com channel and what I'm going to do with it more in the future. But remember, crypto is speculative and very risky. It's volatile. So if you want to put some money into it, make sure that it's money that you can afford to lose, and put as much as you can into hard wallets, cold storage. Keep only whatever you want in the exchanges for trading, active trading. But if you're not active trading, you're just hodling, right? Put all your crypto into cold storage and hard wallets. That's all I have for you today. Najee here. Remember, do sign up for my channel, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Like the video if you do, and share with your friends. Take care. Bye.